Hey guys, so we've got in today's deployment, we've got a cool new feature, camera autofocus, and we've got some fixes, some little UI tweaks and fixes to make the UI a bit better for you. So like you can click in a field and keep the focus even if you move the mouse off, which seems simple, but we didn't have it. So now we have it. You will see it makes a difference as you're working. So yeah, lots of little things like that. We've got a list in the version history, so you can check that out. But yeah, the exciting thing for today is we've added autofocus. So if you enable autofocus, you can press shift and right click on an object to focus the camera on that point. So if I jump into a camera, so you were always able to press shift and right click to set a focus distance. So you can see this value here updating. And let me just show you how that looks. If we go into high quality mode and set the f-stop to something crazy, so you can really see what's going on. So if I shift right click, it's going to change the focus, but it's just setting a focus distance. So I'm saying, if I go here, I'm saying I want to focus 10 meters in front of me. So now if I move the camera, if I unlock the camera and then move the camera, you can see the point of focus changes. So now like the yellow one's in focus. If I go in a bit, the green one, the blue one. So the point in focus is staying 10 meters in front of me, which is great. But if you're making an AR camera or you're trying to focus on a moving object, you really want the focus to be able to follow that object. So that's what this autofocus parameter does. So you can enable that and then shift and right click on an object, and you can see that object's been added to the name here. So it's the same control as the focus distance was. So shift and right click. And now if I move the camera, this purple one is going to stay in focus, or rather her hand is going to stay in focus, because the point I clicked on is a point on her hand. And so if you go back to preview mode, you can see the little locator that we've added, and you can move that around. So this is the point of focus when we're in autofocus mode. So if I go back into high quality and play that back, that hand is going to stay in focus wherever it goes. And if I move the camera, the hand is still going to stay in focus. And that's going to work for the AR cameras as well. So you can create a cool animated camera, but focus on a single point in the scene. So that should make things a lot easier for you. And we can't wait to see what you do with it. So yeah, do show us, send pictures and images. We love to see what you guys create. So that's it. So see you next time.